Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mac computer, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you compress a PNG file on your Mac for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to compress a PNG file on your Mac for free anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business submitting applications or various photos or images, sometimes the PNG needs to be under a certain size limit. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mac. This is not anything you need to pay for. It's a free program that's already on your Mac. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up a PNG file, as you can see right here. So you can see the file size is 430 kilobytes. So if we open it up, you can see it's just this, I guess, motivational word. So in order to compress this PNG file, all you're going to do is just right click on it, and then you're going to click on quick actions. Once you do that, click on convert image. Once you do that, you want to choose the format. So change it back to PNG, and then you can see the image size is actual size. So what you're going to do is click from the drop down menu. I generally don't use small just because it tends to be really small. So I'll probably start with large and see if it fits the size requirements. So I'll click large and then click convert to PNG. Okay, so now we have the new PNG file. And if we look at the size, it dropped it from 430 down to 392 kilobytes. So if we open it up, you can see a lot of the quality is still there. It's basically the same. Now, if that's still too big, you can go ahead and just do the same thing. So right click, quick actions, convert image, PNG. Let's do medium and then convert to PNG. Okay, so the medium dropped it down to 165, so almost a third of the size. And then if we open it up, you can see that it did shrink it down quite a bit. You can stretch it out, and the quality has degraded a little bit, but that's just what happens when you compress files. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to compress a PNG file on your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it for free. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.